Usually, when we hear the word war, we imagine soldiers and weapons, but in the 21st century, some of the most intense battles are fought in the office and port. This is the world of trade war. Trade war. A trade war happens when the country increase tariffs, which are essentially taxes on imports, and the other country retails with its own taxes. It is a cycle of tit for tat that affects everything from the phone in your pocket to the food on your table. Main point. Why do nation fights? Nations often start trade war to protect their local industries. They want to make foreign good more expensive so that citizens buy made in home products. They also use it as a tool to protect intellectual property or reduce trade deficits. But here is the catch. The consumer always pays the price when a government puts a 25% tax on imported steel or electronics. The companies don't just absorb that cost, they pass it on to you. Suddenly your car, your laptop and your daily essential become more expensive. The the global the global domino effect. Supply chain disruption. We live in a globalized world. A product might be designed in the US, use parts from Taiwan and assembled in China. A trade war between just two giants can break this entire chain, causing job losses and market instability across the world. Uncertainty in the enemy of growth. When trade war business stop investing and global economic growth slow down, effective affecting developing nation the most. And another side, while trade wars aim to protect national interest, they often end they often end up hurting the very people they are meant to shield. So that's all about. So 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 in a world that is more connected than war, the solution lies in fear, dialogues and cooperation, not in building walls of tariff. So that's all about tariffs. Thank you. Jai Hind.